Alright folks, this is Bessie. This is our 5-ton backhoe. And that's all the fluid, spare fluid we got. I've been underneath here, fixing on getting everything set. Got the hose replaced, got everything done. I guess now's the time we find out whether or not the battery's got charge in it. Alright, let's go see. Oh. Okay, she's got charge. There she goes. Let's let it run for a minute. Close off the tire. Rock and roll. Working good. Alright, that goes back and forth. See the steps come up. Alright, so far so good. Now let's make sure she's in gear. Alright. Okay, that sucks. We're gonna have to figure out what else is wrong with her. All right, but there's the intro to my backhoe. So get this here. She's got fuel. She's got power. She's got all the hoses are fixed. Let me go see what's underneath and see if what we else got to do. All right, what else I got to do? All right, guys, thanks.